Wagwan me Julies. Basically, I've had a few requests, man, about doing like a burp in my brother's face and then him reacting to it. So like, burp reactions. I've also had a few requests for like the nasty burp challenge. Never heard of it in my life, man. But like where you burp in each other's face until you can't take any more. Me and my brother have got like a spare 10 minutes, so we thought we'd like start burping in each other's faces and just see how we react. I'm absolutely dreading this, man. Like. He's just told me he hasn't brushed his teeth yet, so like I feel sick already. Bro! Jakey! Come on then, dude. So, get in. Let's close this door. I'm gonna edit this anyway, Jake, so...
That's a rotten burger last night.
What? Oh shit, man. Okay, it hasn't. It's already started. No, we've got to be a bit more tactical with it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it in turns. Okay, you calm down, man. You're gonna be all burped out. So we're gonna take it in turns. So the idea is, I mean, I don't know who's gonna go first. We need to flip a coin. You got a coin?
No, I haven't.
Oh shit balls. Okay, let's do rock paper scissors. Okay.
You go 1, 2, 3, and then go.
1, 2, 3, and then do it. Yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. Okay, so that means you win, innit? Yeah, so you go first. No, you go.
No,
oh,
choose.
You chose. You want to be burped on first, you fucking sicko.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the camera like this, right? Okay, I'm going to take in a massive burp. In fact, we can probably even get it at this. Oh my god, that looks brilliant. Okay, so I'm going to take in a massive one and do it right in. Okay,
right,
so do I do it?
Yeah,
This is awkward, man. Okay.
He just coughed.
This is fucking right. Okay.
Let me just get more in there.
Okay. This is disgusting. Oh my god, I'm dreading this. Okay. You fucking spat on me, bro. Oh.
I'm sick then.
Yeah, you fucking spat on my face, you tramp. Okay.
It's warm.
It's warm. It's warm. Okay. Oh, try not to fucking spit on me this time, bro.
Oh, that. I'm really sick. I can't do that long. I'm sick on you, I'm sorry.
Bro.
Trying to get it all out.
Bro, man, that smells like fucking like burgers, man. Okay.
You want to go down special?
How was that one?
Disgusting.
Okay. This is fun. Can I just say, guys? You guys that requested this, you're fucking sick. Like this is.
People wanking over this.
Mate, I don't know. This is gross. This is like literally this is dirty even for us. We record each other's shits, send pictures of each other's shits to each other, and like compliment on the size of the shit. This is disgusting. Whose turn is it? Oh, it's your turn. Okay, shit, man.
I can't physically get a burp up.
I know, that's why it fucking smells like meat, because you're just being sick meat.
Rich gang.
Burp gang.
See, that was terrible.
Oh my god. I heard that bubble, bro. This is fucked. How long did we do this for? Okay. This is disgusting. I've just washed my face as well. Okay. This is disgusting.
It's all warm.
It's just it's warm and wet, but I'm not breathing it in. Yeah. Oh my god, should we be fucked up and do one more each, but breathe it in?
Breathe it. Oh nah.
So we smell it.
Nah.
Is that what you guys want? You want us to smell it, don't you? All right, I'll sniff yours. Oh my god, I'm gonna be sick. Okay.
I'm trying to get a good one, man. Oh shit! You're nearly sick. It's just because I keep.
Okay.
It's gonna taste disgusting, isn't it?
Okay. No, I fucking smell like sick. That's fucked up. Right, breathe one of mine in.
Yeah, this is my last one.
Okay.
Oh, it tastes like, smells like toothpaste.
Toothpaste. It's better than fucking burgers, bro. Oh shit, are we done? Are we done?
Yeah, fuck that
I don't really know what we're supposed to do with the rest of that. What you saying, bruh?
Okay.
This was fucked up, man. Any more requests? Let us know. The only thing we won't do is suck each other off.
You say.
Bye, bruh.
Bye bye.